want a dog. I identify as a dog, but according to my mom, it's just a baby.
FBI's gonna be lucky to have you.
How did you know?
I know you.
Well, I really wanted to make it work for me here, right? I really did. Well, I love NCIS. I love all the work that we've done, how much I've grown, learned.
It was time to move on.